There's your problem.
There's my problem.
There's a lot of problems over here. So, Jesus.
There's the problem. That's not how that goes. Today's the beginning of whatever the heck we're going to do. We don't know what we're going to do yet. She's still in there. How the guys were able to get it in there when I was in the hospital. So I guess we'll kind of do the reverse. What did they use a...
basically we use jacks. We got jacks in front of it.
Now you guys are careful with everything, right?
I'm very careful. Extremely careful. It's over in bring one out of the shop.
Easy box sticker in the
Huh?
easy box sticker in the top of the machine.
Brand new parachute, never even got to be deployed. Fucking melted.
I wonder why it was out though.
Because the flames came around and licked the bag, and fucking as soon as it pulled the bag,
What did?
it melted the strap, the little strap that holds the wire, the loop. So how did it catch on fire back there? It just came up underneath.
it was
Fire
under.
the car.
under the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see on the belly pans is burnt too. All right, I'm going up.
The back tires are in there or something.
Got a little crispy fried. Still holding that shape though.
That's not good. That's bad. Freaking. That's the line for the fire system. You got melted. Just now. See how bad it is, man. So this is the beginning of. This is the next chapter. But at this point, depending on what we see, I'm 95, even closer probably to 99% sure that the fond is repairable. But the question is, do we want to continue on with it, knowing that we're outgunned already at NPK with it? So, but time-wise, here we are like the second week of October, and we want to really annoy your neighbor, just drag that out in your driveway. It's the most annoying neighborly thing you can possibly do. But anyways, we're second week in October. Yes, we kind of get another month as far as preparing, but that's not a whole lot of time. So plans could change in an hour, but right now, I think we're going to fix LaFawnduh so that we can start next season with it.
can already see the comments now. Wheels look good. Coming out.
Right here, over here.
Yep. And good.
Here.
Man, duct tape is hurting. Yeah. Gorilla tape.
All the rocker arms are still on, as you can see, which means that it did not drop a valve. We kind of suspected that it dropped a valve. But if you would have, if those were already there from the previous times of rocker arms.
That's right, I remember seeing that.
But this goes to show, so somebody said, and I think it might have been Scott Taylor, that the fire was inside the motor. The fire was inside the motor before it came out. This goes to show that it was burning inside the motor because the color of the...
Is that what that is? Because
Yes.
it's worse over there.
Yeah, so what happens
And look at
is
this one's real bad.
inside the motor, your crankcase obviously is full of pressure and fuel, and so that ignited, and that igniting alone can cause the backfire. So that may have been what caused it. But we'll know more obviously as we continue on, but there was definitely fire inside the motor on the crankcase. And so we're going to see rods that look like that also. We got one injector completely missing. I don't even know where it went. I think the most important part of this is for us to figure out what happened.
Yeah.
This isn't good as far as figuring out what happened. Not yet. Not yet.
Thank you very much. Going to look at the graphics across the whole thing. We have just like the general film of graphics, whatever you like, and then put your logo that's kind of inside that. You know? Didn't even try that one.
Anybody find the nitrous nozzles yet?
We took those out before camera comes.
No, that's why we have the cameras rolling to show.
Yeah, people will
Yeah,
think that.
they will think that.
So it's not filming when we pull the intake
That's
off.
why you can still see all the black everywhere, so we hadn't touched it. And I assume that everybody that wanted to look while I'm at the hospital, they had their fair share of opportunity to look for it. Even Scooter, when the tire blew, he's like, "Damn it, Mikey!" He thought it was a nitrous box.
Nitrous bubble.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, man. The gap's not there anymore on that one.
Oh my God.
Lost the rod, right? That's the only way for that to happen.
It's not. There's several things that could have done that.
Oh, it could have been just. Oh, I know.
Yeah, absolutely. It could have been something because this ingested
Yeah.
the motor.
Just trying to
Whatever
focus
broke
on
off
it.
here went through the turbos and is in the motor. So even, but even anything from that side, yeah. And typically, believe it or not, let's say you blow something up in this hole, oftentimes it ends up in these holes over here.
This is it blows away from it?
Yes, well, it goes up in the intake, it just bounces.
I don't know where I got my wires crossed. Okay.
That piston
I'm
on
all
the
set.
there.
Stable. Stay. What's that? TikTok? Push it a little too hard.
Send it.
Fucking send it.
You sent it a little too hard there, bud. Too hard. I think you sent it a little too hard there, bud.
One side of the circuit, you know, which side of the circuit.
I think they had that done and they're like, oh, there's a recall. We'll fix that while it's in there. So they replaced the front camera. Now none of the shit works.
Oh, no, it was a recall. It was working.
Yeah,
Now we're gonna recall it.
I was like, until I, and that's why when I was on the phone
Now
earlier.
you have a problem because it doesn't work.
God, there's your problem.
There's my
There's a
problem.
lot of problems over here. So, Jesus.
There's the problem.
That's not how that goes.
How's that stupid meme go, or the TikTok? Sent her a little way too hard.
Oh yeah.
Fucking sent it.
I think you sent it a little too hard there, bud.
Alright, that's a wrap. Let's rotate it, and I want to see what the cylinder wall looks like.
Boy, that's
Look
okay.
at it, that was stemmed down right there. Boom, nailed it with the fucking. That was stemmed down right there too. Oh, man, twice.
So what causes that? Sent her a little too hard. That's how it's ridiculous.
Yeah, there's a couple of dicks in it.
On your right.
There's one right there, there, like all around right here. It's like you can see where the piston was when it let go, because you can see it.
Yeah, so you kept having problems with something on this side. Several passes.
Yeah. Like we had like a lot of blowback coming through. It looked like it was burning oil coming out of the head.
Excuse me.
Well, something's definitely been developed.
Yeah, but it looks like that's where the seat used to be right here.
Jeez. Cratered that thing.
Not only that,
Not only that, but
Damage.
also the valve correction.
damaged it pretty bad.
Thank you all for tuning in to Mike Murillo Racing. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you all soon. I see a lot of you that are watching our videos, but you're not subscribed. So if you would, hit that like and that bell or whatever it is that you're supposed to hit so that you can make sure you see our stuff when it comes out.